Welcome to the training on the UN Systems HIV Post-Exposure Prophylaxis Custodian Directory, which is for use by all UN personnel when accessing UN-provided HIV PEP services. The information in this training is for personnel with UN official email addresses who have access to the UN ISEC webpage. Let's get started. To access the HIV PEP Kit Custodian Directory, you first go to the HR portal, where the URL is hr.un.org. And you hover over the Health and Wellbeing tab and move your cursor down to the section on HIV and PEP. And when you click on that, it directs you to the section of the HR portal that caters to UN HIV programs. When you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen, you will see under the PEP Kit Custodian section a link to the UN Systems HIV PEP Kit Program Custodian Directory. When you click on this, it should direct you to the HIV PEP Kit Custodian Directory dashboard. Access to the dashboard is restricted to those with the Unite ID access, which is a UN-approved official email address, and who have access to the ISEC webpage. When you first click the link, you might see this Power BI sign-in button. All you have to do is click the sign-in button and we will be directed to the HIV PEP Kit Custodian Directory. The sign-in button just checks if you have access to the space where the directory is located. The Custodian Directory is a searchable directory of HIV PEP Kit custodians. All the details was provided by each UN duty station and mission, HIV PEP focal point, and UN country senior leadership. The directory is on 2 pages. The first page was the introduction page, and the second page is the custodian directory with the custodian's details. To navigate the dashboard, you can either use the tabs on the top, or for traditional Power BI users, you can use the tabs on the bottom where each page name is displayed as well. The custodian directory contains information on the custodian's country where they're located, their city, their first and last names, their official email addresses, their office phone number, their mobile phone number, their organization, and their gender. To search the directory, you can use the drop-down filters on the left of your screen. You can search by country, by city, by organization, or by gender. If you want to search by country, for example, all you have to do is select a country from the drop-down menu, and the directory will filter out the custodians located in that particular country. To reset the directory, all you have to do is deselect the country that you had selected previously. If you want to filter by city, all you would want to do is go ahead and pick a particular city. For example, if we pick Bamiyan, and the directory will filter out all the custodians located in that city of Bamiyan for Afghanistan in this example. You can do the same for the organization filter or the gender filter. Another way to search is by directly entering text. For example, if you want to select all the custodians in Nigeria, for example, then you'd go ahead and type Nigeria within the text box, and you can select Nigeria, and all the custodians located in Nigeria will be indicated in the directory. However, if you do use this option to reset, you would want to clear the text from the search box, because if you do not do that, then the full drop-down list will not appear. All information in the custodian directory is provided by each UN duty station and mission HIV PEP focal point and the UN country senior leadership. The accuracy of the information in the directory depends on the information provided by each duty station. To ensure that the custodian information is current and up to date, please contact your HIV PEP focal point if you identify any inaccuracies or any updates to the custodian directory for your country are necessary, and have them fill out the template and email it to dos-dmosh-hiv@un.org. Thank you.